In the previous videos, you learned about how to create NumPy array, how to use different attributes, how to access different attributes of NumPy array. Then the few ways of creating NumPy array. Now it's time to how to access elements of an array. How will you access elements of an array? Using indexing. As you know, students, in list, in a string, in tuple, every element of a list, every element of a tuple, every element of a string has an index. It starts from 0 to size -1. Suppose there are total number of elements in a list are 5. So its index will start from 0 and goes up to 4. Similarly in tuple, similarly in string. The same method is followed in array also. Here we have 9 zeros. I have created an array A with 9 zeros. You can see simply here it is an array with 9 elements. The first index of the array is 0 and the last index of the array is size -1. It is 8. And now you want to access the particular index of the element. I have printed the all elements of array. Now I want to print only the 6th index of an array. What will happen? What will it print? Now I am printing A6. It will print only 1 0 because at the 6th place there is 0, at the 1 place there is 2, there is 0, at any place there is 0 because we have created an array with all zeros. Now I want to add it the element at a particular index. Suppose I want to add it the element at index 2. I want the element at index 2 must be 4. So it will be the third element of an array. Third element and the index is 2. I hope you are getting it. It will print 0 because I have printed A6 and now I want to print the complete array. This statement will print all zeros except 0 at index 2. It will print 4 at index 2. See the change? So you can access elements of an array using index of the elements. Now I am creating an array and a 2D array. It is the array of 2, 3. So now I want to print all elements of this array. Print A. Now I want to comment it. Not comment. I am deleting it. And now I am creating an array with all zeros. Is there any error? Let me check. Yes, there is an error. I have to enclose it within another parenthesis. That's why. So here is an array with all zeros, 2D array with all zeros. Now it's time to access the element at 2D array. How the index will go? For rows the index is 0 and index is 1, and for columns the index is 0, 1 and 2. Now I want to access element at 0 0. So how I will access A, 0, 0. What will it print? It will print 0 only, because the element at place 0, 0 is 0. Now I want to change the element at 1, A, 1, 2 equals to 5. So what will happen to the array? The element at position 1, 2 will be replaced with 5. So the 0 at index 1, 2 will be replaced with 5. You can see. So 1, 2, how the Python interpreter interpreting 1, 2 index? 1 means row 1. The first row is 0th row and the second row is 1th row, and the second index will represent the column. The first column is 0 column, the second column is 1 column, the third column is 2 column. So the index 1, 2 is 5. So this is the method how you can access the index of elements in 1D or 2D array.